Hello, I am Mishra. I am second year BPT student. Today I am going to explain about clinical uses of galvanic current. Definition of galvanic current. Galvanic current is a continuous direct current flowing in one direction with constant intensity. Introduction of galvanic current. What is galvanic current? A low voltage continuous direct current. It has two poles. Positive pole it is known as anode, and negative pole it is known as cathode. Produces chemical and physiological effect in the tissues. Main clinical applications of galvanic current: iontophoresis, stimulation of denervated muscles, wound healing, pain relief, and edema reduction. Physiological effects of galvanic current: increased blood circulation, nerve stimulation, muscle contraction in denervated muscles, tissue healing stimulation. Physiological effect can be classified in two types: chemical effects and thermal effects. First is chemical effect. Electrolysis occurs in tissues and changes tissue pH. Second is thermal effect. It produces mild heat production. Iontophoresis. Definition of iontophoresis: introduction of medical ions into tissues using galvanic current. Common drugs used in iontophoresis is dexamethasone inflammation, lidocaine used for pain relief, and third is salicylate used in soft tissue pain. Indication of iontophoresis: tendinitis, bursitis, plantar fasciitis, and arthritis. Second is stimulation of denervated muscles. Galvanic current can stimulate muscle which has the loss of nerve supply. Purpose of stimulation of denervated muscles: first is prevention muscle atrophy, maintain muscle nutrition, improve circulation, and fourth is delay fibrosis and contractures. Clinical conditions: peripheral nerve injury, facial nerve palsy, and radial nerve palsy. Third is wound healing and ulcer management. Galvanic current promotes tissue repair. Effects of galvanic current: improves blood flow, enhances epithelial healing, and reduces bacterial growth. Used in diabetic ulcers and chronic wounds. Fourth is pain relief and edema reduction. Pain relief alters nerve conduction and reduces pain sensation and improves circulation. Edema reduction: it helps fluid movements, reduces swelling through improved circulation, and conditions like post-traumatic edema and soft tissue injuries and acute inflammation. Advantages of galvanic current: effective drug delivery, useful for denervated muscles, promotes healing and non-surgical treatments. Disadvantages and precautions of galvanic current. First is disadvantages: skin irritations or burns, patient's discomfort, requires proper techniques. And precautions are check skin sensation and proper electrode placement. Monitor current intensity throughout the session. Contraindications of galvanic current is pacemaker, pregnancy, malignancy, broken skin, and metal implants in treatment area. Thank you.